Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add a watermark in Google Docs. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop, I just open Chrome browser and I just go to Google Apps and I just select Google Docs. So once I select, I just want to insert a watermark or logo. How to do that? So I just open the letter. So this is a confidential letter. I just want to give a confidential text behind the letter. What I have to do here, just go to insert and you will find an option called watermark. Once you select the watermark, automatically watermark will be open here with a both option of image and text. So if you want to give the text, means you can type a text, otherwise you can insert the logo. So first and foremost, I just want to give the text. I just select the text and insert text. You can give whatever you want. For example, I just type HowXT, so HowXT will be open here. Otherwise you just type confidential. So once you type, automatically it will be added over here. So if you want to give a Arial or formatting option, for example, I just want to change the font style, everything will be changing over here as you see. So you can change whatever font you want, you can change according to your needs. And you want to give the transparency, if you want to increase the transparency or reduce the transparency, you can do. For example, you want to have a text of the watermark should be in diagonal or horizontal, you can fix according to your need. So if you want your watermark should be behind the text or in front of the text, you can add. So if you give a done, means automatically your watermark will be added over here. So again, I just want to add some images in the watermark. Just go to insert menu, just go to watermark and you can choose images. So you can select the image, select image over here. So upload your image. I just browse my logo. So I just select some logo for my confidential method. So I have given and insert my logo. So my logo is insert over here. The scale will be 100%. I just reduce the size of the scale. So document, behind the document it will be there. So I need a content should be visible, so my logo should be faded. So just click the faded option, automatically your logo will be faded and make as a watermark. So this is a beautiful option. You can give a done option, automatically your watermark will be added in your Google Docs. This is a beautiful option. While you create a confidential document, you can use this option. If you want to remove watermarks, just go to insert watermarks and just select this one, remove watermark. You can give, means your entire watermark will be removed from your Google Docs. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.